SEC560, some of the things that you'll get out of it. I think number one, you'll get out of it a great methodology for pen testing. You'll learn a brand new skill set, whether it's password cracking and why it works, some of the new tips or tricks, how does a network scanner work, that kind of stuff. You'll get that out of it, right? You'll also get a lot of tooling and mechanics around that. More importantly, if you're really doing this and you've only done some limited amount of testing, maybe just on vulnerability scanning, you'll get a better appreciation for what comes next, right? So I think some of those key topics you'll get out of it. And that's really the important part is, even if you're not going to be doing pen testing as a day-to-day activity, you'll have an appreciation for how can I make sure that what I put in actually works, right? Because now you can do the testing yourself.